Good afternoon to one and all. I'm Ishka Desai from class 3, is your host for the event and will take you through some great science displays and will also make you witness the magic created by our junior scientists. Now I would like to call Shari Patel to deliver the welcome speech.
Good afternoon to everyone gathered here. I, Shaili Patel from class 3rd, welcomes our respected principal madam, coordinator ma'am, parents, grandparents, teachers and all my dear friends to our first virtual science exhibition, that is Science Fair 2020. Dr. Radhakrishnan has said, science has achieved more for the emancipation of masses than the wisdom of sages. It is the only subject which has brought the revolutionary changes in our lives since antiquity. Every person has an innate curiosity to know different things and phenomena of nature, changes around us, and this curiosity can be only quenched by the study of science. Today, we will unveil the creation of a junior scientist in this exhibition. There will be experiments on robotics, physical and chemical change, many more. Let's explore the scientific journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Shirley, for a warm welcome. What if I tell you that there is going to be a volcano eruption here? No need to worry. I was just joking. It's just a lemon volcano. Yes, you hear it right. Lemon volcano. Let's see what a lemon volcano looks like through an experiment.
Good afternoon, respective principal ma'am, teachers, grandparents, parents, and my friends. My name is Diya Mistry. My project name is Lemon Volcano. I have made lemon volcano with dish soap, baking powder, red color, and from lemon. First, I will show how to make lemon volcano. First, we have to add 1 tablespoon dish soap. Then we have to add 1 tablespoon red color. Then we have to add 1 tablespoon baking powder. Then we have to mix it up. You can see the lava is coming out of the lemon volcano. How is our lemon volcano erupting? The chemical react, of course. The citric acid from the lemon juice is reacting to the base of the baking soda, creating a gas called carbon dioxide, bubbling, fizzing carbon dioxide, which creates a rainbow of color. This fish also help dish soap create a more exaggerated eruption from this experiment. It is conclusion that citric acid present in the lemon reacting to the baking soda, creating a gas called carbon dioxide, and hence we can see the lava is coming out of the lemon volcano. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Nia, for clearing our doubts. We all like to play in snow, don't we? We have seen snowfalls in many hilly regions when temperature falls off in our country. Do you want to see a snowman here? My friend is going to do some magic and will take you to Snowland.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Francis from Standard C.
Do you have ever seen snow in this season? And in Vapi? I am going to explain you how to make snow with some magic. My main aim of this magic snow experiment is to show reaction taking place in physical properties of the substance. I am with snow using these two magical things, that is cold water and baking soda. Here I will show you physically. Magic snow reaction is a great example of physical change. A reaction where the substance itself does not change. When an ice cube melts, a physical change will take place, but the basic substance will never change. It is still in its original form. However, in this energy is absorbed and matter is changed in the solid form. Here with this experiment, I conclude that there when physical change, a new substance is formed and energy is either given or absorbed. Thank you. Thank you, Pranshu, for taking us to Snowland with your experiment. After visit to Snowland, now I would like to take you all to design your own robot which will make your work easy. The goal of robotics is to design intelligent machines that can help and assist humans. Let's see which robot has my friend designed.
Very good afternoon to respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, grandparents and all my dear friends. I touched this side from class 3A is going to show an experiment on robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary research area at the interface of computer science and engineering to design, construct and use mechanical robots. Here in this robot experiment, I have made a vehicle bought with materials such as sketch pen, hot glue, tape, 9-volt battery, paper cup, white paper, DC motor and switch. My aim is to color the paper by using mechanical power. I have used 9-volt battery for providing power to my vehicle bot. It has electrical component that control and power the machinery. Here you can see my vehicle bot working. Now you can see my paper is colored. So from this experiment it is concluded that robotics is an engineered machine where mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Thank you.
Thank you, Dash, for making our work easier. Solubility is the property of solid, liquid or gas. Solubility of a substance depends on the solvent used. My friend is going to show you an solubility test through an experiment. And we can note the substance which not dissolve in the universal solvent, that is water.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Jivansh Wahi. I am from class 3rd B. Today I am going to explain you solubility test. My aim is to show you that water is the universal solvent. That is, every substance gets dissolved in water. But there are some substances which does not dissolve in water. Let's see through this experiment and take a note of it. Here in glass 1, I am adding sugar and mixing it. Here in glass 2, I am adding salt and mixing it. Here in glass 3, I am adding chalk powder and mixing it. Here in glass 4, I am adding oil and mixing it. So we observe that sugar and salt easily dissolve in water. Chalk powder partially dissolved in water. Oil does not dissolve in water as its molecular contact does not attract it to the water molecules. So this means they do not mix with each other. If you will combine, you will definitely see the separation line. Conclusion. So from this experiment, we conclude that some substances are easily soluble, like sugar and salt, as where some are partially soluble, like chalk powder, and some are insoluble, like oil. Thank you.
Thank you, Jivan, for showing us a wonderful experiment. We all have heard the proverb that opposite attracts each other. That means magnet attracting other metals which comes in the magnetic field. So here my friend is going to show you an experiment on magnet.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, parents, grandparents, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Jahangi Patel from class 3rd is going to show you all something with magnets. My aim for this experiment is to show you all that magnets create a magnetic field around them to attract some metals. Here, for this experiment, I have used tin cans, wooden scale, some magnets, steel coins, and a straw. Take the first coin and attach it to the underside of the magnet, letting it hang down vertically. Bring up more coins and attach it to the other coins. Once you have the coin tower balanced, start it blowing gently through one side of the straw. Here, in this case of coin tower, the magnet on the roller which attracts the topmost coin and which also attracts the other coins, and the chain goes on the bottom coin, releases minimally. Magnets help support the coin tower against the force of gravity. So, with this experiment, it is concluded that certain ferromagnetic elements like iron, nickel, and pure steel can be magnetized when placed in an external magnetic field. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi, for keeping us attracted with the experiment. Zor laga ke hari shah. Confused why I'm saying when an object is moved, that means force is applied. So here my friend is going to show you an experiment on vibrational motion.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, grandparents, and all my dear friends. Myself, Mehta, from class 3rd is going to show you an experiment on vibrational motion. My aim in this experiment is to identify and describe the changes of position, direction, and speed of an object when acted upon by unbalanced force. Here I have stapled my paper cup with stapler pins at equal distance to each other. I have made a garment with wires onto the top of the pipe cleaner ring and put it upside down paper cup.
neurons developing the vibration first the warm and move and dance. All things wiggle, meaning they move back and forth. Objects can move in a variety of different ways, so it is important to study the science behind these movements, also called vibrations. Much of what we observe and experience in our physical world is due to vibrations and waves. Vibration of an object occurs when a force acts on and to restore it to its original resting position after it has been displayed. Thank you.
Thank you, Dave, for also making us dance with the wild man. Don't you think our world is full of bright light? But what if electricity is nowhere? No need to worry. This junior scientist is coming up with an innovative idea to light up your place with potatoes.
Good afternoon, honorable principal and parents, grandparents, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Vedika Mova, belonging to class 3rd B. Today, I'm in front of you to demonstrate an experiment named Light Energy Potato Battery. Do you know the potato that we have in our kitchen has advantages too? They're very great conductor of electricity. My model here shows this property is very rare. Your potato is used to light up a farm. The wires connecting the potato and the lamp runs along the field. Electricity forms the potato, light up the whole area. In this experiment, chemical reaction changes into electron energy. Your potato acts as electrolyte solution. They provide electrons with a place to move, copper and zinc to complete the circuit. Potato act as buffer between copper and zinc during electron transfer. Through this experiment, it is concluded that chemical energy between the two metals is converted into electrical energy and creates a circuit with the help of potato. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vedika, for sharing your creative idea with all of us. I hope you all are enjoying a lot and are curious to see what is coming up next. So here comes our next scientific explorer to show us an experiment on plants.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, grandparents, and all my dear friends. My name is Jayamit Mystery. I am going to do experiment on thinking STEM. I need food colors, cabbage, leaves, spoons, and water to do this experiment. Take 4 glasses of plain water, add yellow color in first glass of water, add orange color in second glass of water, add green color in third glass of water, add red color in fourth glass of water. Now mix it well. Now put a cabbage leaf in first glass of water. Then put a white rose in second glass of water. Then put another yellow rose in third glass of water. And put a spinach leaf in fourth glass of water. Now wait for 2 days, then you see the change of color. The cabbage leaf will turn in yellow color, the white rose will turn in orange color, the yellow rose will turn in green color, the spinach leaf will turn in red color. As we can say, the stem absorbs the nutrients and water from the soil and takes it to the leaves and petals. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Jay, for showing
advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: it gives sunlight that is renewable source of energy. Summer cooking is easy. When food comes from solar energy, it is healthy and tastes amazingly well. Disadvantages: it is expensive and not work without sunlight. Hence, on cloudy day, it is useless. So, I come on conclusion that to save our mind and one must use the renewable source of energy. Thank you.
Thank you, Hita, for creating awareness among us to use more forms of renewable sources of energy. Last but not the least, now I would like to call my friend to show us an experiment on dispersion of light.
Good afternoon, respected Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers, parents, grandparents, and all my dear friends. I am Rishika Mittal from Standard 3rd A. Today, I am here in front of you to perform an experiment on dispersion of light. For this, I have used CD, paper cut in different designs, and the torch as a source of light. Diffraction is like bending of light as if it passes around the edge of an object. A CD has spiral groove tracks usually composed of bits. These grooves create an approximately parallel pattern. Because the CD surface is mirrored and these tracks are evenly spaced, they diffract the sunlight. Here I have made different patterns on the CD with the help of paper. So the paper is blocking some light rays from the CD but letting others through, creating all kinds of patterns and designs on the screen. Observation: we can see as the CD spins, the light lights up the pits and grooves. The light bounces off and creates a pattern on the wall. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Nishika, for showing us a reflection pattern. It was indeed a pleasure to watch our little scientists exhibit such creative and innovative ideas with all of us. I hope you have enjoyed this scientific journey with us. As our journey has came to an end, now I would like to call Mokshadhara to propose the vote of thanks.
Shadhara would like to extend my sincere thanks to our Principal Madam for giving us this opportunity to showcase our innovative ideas and to build our confidence to present these experiments. I would like to thank our Coordinator Ma'am for constantly guiding us in every step. To my dear teachers, who are always there with us as a support system. To our loving parents, who have just put in their maximum efforts to execute experiments in the best way. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the spectators who have been a part of this wonderful scientific journey. Once again, thank you to all. Have a great evening ahead.